Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to export videos in Filmora 10 without Watermark using a simple method. So let's get started. First, open Filmora and click on New Project. After that, import your video and drag it into the timeline section. Once your editing is done, click on Export and then again click on Export. Here you will see two options: Export with Watermark or Purchase. Don't worry about it. There is a simple solution. Now close this window, then go to your profile section inside Filmora. From here, click on Refer a Friend and then click on Invite. You will get a referral link. If you invite someone using this link and they sign up or install through it, Filmora rewards you and you can unlock exporting without Watermark. This is an official method provided by Filmora to get benefits without purchasing immediately. After completing this, go back and export your video again. And now you'll be able to export it without Watermark depending on the reward you received. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for updates.